Senator Alan Peter Cayetano says the move to halt the construction of the new Senate building in Taguig pending a review of skyrocketing costs is backed by official reports and documents, not mere speculations. In a Facebook Live on Wednesday, Cayetano addresses concerns about the new Senate building.
So hindi po to bulong-bulong or haka-haka, lahat po to ay official, mga reports, mga documents, no? But voluminous po, napakarami, kaya we're getting through, we're sorting through it.
Cayetano presently leads the Senate Committee on Accounts, which oversees the Senate's budget, expenses, audit, and other fiscal activities. Cayetano was also the one who informed newly instated Senate President Cheese Escudero about an apparent dramatic increase of the construction cost for the new Senate building from an initial budget of 8 billion pesos to a projected 23.3 billion pesos.
Ang nag-review po nito, for your information po, ay nasa Secretariat ng Senate, nasa staff ko, nasa staff ng Committee on Accounts, at sila po namamahal. Yung iba po sa kanila, very, very capable po.
Before Cayetano's clarification, Senator Nancy Binay, Cayetano's predecessor in the Senate committee, expressed her dismay over Escudero's decision to halt the new Senate building's construction. Binay said the Senate chief could have reached out and talked to her instead of relying on gossip mongers. Cayetano also addressed fears that Escudero's halt order and his panel's decision to review the new Senate building would cause a delay to the completion of the Senate's new home.
So let me clarify ulit yan ha, yung sinasabi sa news na Phase 1 and Phase 2, hindi magkakos ng delays yan kasi tuloy-tuloy sila. In fact, may delay na yan. At in fact, sila na nga nagsabi kung kailan earliest na matatapos. And sa report mismo, yung slowdown na inutos ng DPWH, nandyan po yan sa report.
The construction of the new Senate building began in 2019 under then Senate President Vicente Soto III.